I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com. Welcome back, Dan. I took last week off, and that was like awesome. I think every once in a while it's really important to kind of unplug. Even you total trading addicts, if you're a trading addict, that's fine. If you're a gambling addict, can't help you with that. But if you're really serious about trading, every once in a while, I think it's important to, we'll just say, take the equipment offline and overhaul it, oil it, stuff like that. You'll wind up coming back trading better. So anyway, that's what I did. But I was watching Tesla last week. Just couldn't bring myself to trade it because I was on vacation. Today, however, totally different deal. So I was watching this stock this morning. I actually bought a very, very, very small position pre-market because the stock was up a bit, not a lot, but a little bit. I bought a very, very small position just to kind of keep tabs on it. You could say it was like a mental health buy. But then as the stock ran up, you realize this is Tesla. It's a religion. It's really not a stock. It is literally a religion, and that means any price will do. Doesn't matter what this stock could go to 50,000, and there are some Teslonians who will think that this stock is still cheap, that it's just going to the moon, and it may go to Mars. That's my long-term price target is Mars. Right now, it's just trying to escape the Earth's gravitational pull here. So this morning during the day, the stock was, I think around 460, and I said my bet is stock's going to go to 500 today. Obviously, it's surpassed that, but if you look at this is a real tell for the strength of a stock. You look at a stock like this where the price is just stupidly high. By the way, I acknowledge that I've triggered some of you. I can live with that, and I'm sure that ultimately you'll be able to live with that too, that I said the price is stupidly high. Oh, now that we got that taken care of. So the price runs up here, and where does it stop? Where does it hit resistance? A little bit below 500. If I recall correctly, I'm not going to go look at it now. I think it was like 498 or something like that. And then the stock comes down, but then it holds here. Okay, so the stock splits 5-1, runs up, knocks against resistance, the ceiling, right here, and then doesn't really pull back much. Okay, that tells you that, first of all, so there's some sellers right at 500, kind of where you'd expect them to be. And then there's buyers. You don't know that they're going to show up, but once this stock starts holding here, you say, all right, man, well, with this kind of move, big move here, and then a pullback, and now we're getting some buyers here, this is a time for me to either buy the stock or add to it, whatever your situation is, and keep a pretty tight stop right here. Okay, so you're able to add to a position, even though you think the stock is really risky, anything can happen. It ain't risky for you because you're buying here and your stop is right there. So your risk is literally inside the box. This is the risk that you have right here. So you're able to buy a strong stock that's just acting ridiculously good and have it be a low risk buy. So that's what I did with Tesla today, and I'm still long the stock, even though it's it's up so much. I would imagine I'll probably be selling some tomorrow just because stocks don't go up forever. But as long as the stock stays above 500, I'm going to want to stay long the stock. This is a shorter term trade I'm talking about, but literally the stock would need to hold above 500 and then I'm fine. If it trades below there, then I'll probably want to take more profits. So anyway, that's how I'm trading Tesla. Happy to be back. Hope that this works for you. And by the way, members, we're having a live trading session at the Open on Wednesday, day after tomorrow. I'll be online at 9 o'clock Eastern to discuss And the entire reason why we do this stuff first thing in the morning is we're trying to make money, want to make money. So if you are able to, I'd like you to show up for that. And if you're a member, or if you're not a member, go ahead and sign up for your free trial, and you don't have to pay for a month. If you make money Wednesday, then hey, maybe there's your membership or subscription. If you don't, well, you're in for free for a month. So anyway, that's it. I'll see y'all later.